Hey guys, it's time to give you my 1-month usage report of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. And also towards the end of the video, I will be announcing the winner of the Samsung Galaxy S9 giveaway. So I've used the Galaxy S9 Plus specifically because I'm always a Plus user. The Galaxy S9 for me is a little too small. Plus, I absolutely love the dual camera, so I can't use a phone without dual cameras. That's a must for me. So first up, I'm going to talk about the design. Now, it is the same as the last year, as you have heard millions of times, but it doesn't matter because this is still one of the best designs on any smartphone. I would choose this design over any notch design any day. To me, this is the best bezel-less execution we have in today's era. Free of notch, there's nothing interfering with your actual display, and just the overall design is absolutely perfect. Like, in this era, you cannot have a better Samsung phone than the Galaxy S9 Plus. It truly is the perfect Galaxy. We have the headphone jack, it's still here. We got our stereo speaker, which is surprisingly good, and we still got our micro SD card slot option for storage expansion. Now, for someone who's coming from Samsung Galaxy S8, this is not gonna be a huge change. Like, compared to my Galaxy S8 family, the only physical or visual change that I've experienced compared to the old phone is the fingerprint scanner is now at a much convenient position. Pretty much that's the only visual change you're gonna notice. Other than that, everything is pretty much the same. Now, there is an intelligent scan feature which works really fast in good lighting conditions, but when it's dark, it doesn't work that fast, so definitely not as good as the Face ID, but doesn't really matter because most of the time I am using the fingerprint scanner. Now, the software performance has been absolutely incredible. Samsung has definitely improved the experience UI massively. It provides tons of customization and at the same time being very light. Features like always on mode, one-handed operation for that easy one-handed usage, a full-on theme engine where you can pretty much customize your phone in every way possible. Tons of software features, and at the same time it is super fast. And one of the features that I really enjoy using on this phone is which is the ability to make app pairs. I can't believe that I actually missed this in my what's on my Galaxy S9 Plus video, but this is why I absolutely love Samsung's UI, and you can't see this on any other phone. I mean, you can do the split screen multitasking, but this is super quick. With literally one press, I can use YouTube and, let's say, Twitter at the same time, which is absolutely incredible. Because I listen to music on YouTube all the time, and I also watch videos, and at the same time, if I can use Twitter or let's say any other applications such as Samsung Internet Browser, I can use that. I can also use Instagram, which is incredible because by default, it doesn't really support Instagram. But you can do it in this way. Now, because this phone rocks 6.2-inch display, the split screen multitasking is absolutely incredible. In my opinion, this feature is super underrated. So this is really useful because YouTube doesn't allow the background playback. So this is like a hack thanks to this app edge feature or split screen multitasking. Definitely one of the most underrated features for the Galaxy S9 Plus. This 9810 is super fast. You can pretty much throw any game on this phone. It can run without any lag. Let's talk about those dual cameras. I have to say this camera is one of the best on the market right now. With variable aperture, you can take some really good low light pictures, take stunning videos, and the autofocus is insanely fast. Front camera is really not that good compared to the iPhone 10 or the Pixel phone. It just lacks the clarity and sharpness that those front camera has. I did a full camera test comparison against the iPhone and the Pixel, so you can watch that, but on paper, the Galaxy S9's front camera is actually stronger than both Pixel and iPhones, coming at f1.7 aperture, but it's just too soft. So I would definitely love to see some improvements in the future Galaxy S phone regarding the front camera. Now, what about the battery life on this phone? Well, I've been able to get a pretty good battery time of full day usage without any problem. Since it supports fast charging, I don't have to wait an eternity to charge this phone, so it's pretty fast with that. And I've actually done a real live battery drain test as well against the S9 Plus. Was definitely good, just slightly better than the Galaxy S8 Plus from last year, but still the score was pretty good. 7 hours plus screen on time is amazing for a phone with this high quality display. So all in all, do I recommend buying the Galaxy S9 Plus? Yes and no. The reason why I would say yes, because it's the most complete phone on the market. If you're coming from Galaxy S7 Edge or any previous generation, and if you haven't tried the Infinity design, then this is definitely worth the upgrade. Now, the reason why I would say no is because the Galaxy S8 shares the same DNA, almost 97% the same DNA as the Galaxy S9. it is still almost as fast as the Samsung Galaxy S9 with pretty much the same software features. So you can seriously save some money by going for the Galaxy S8 because nowadays you can get a Galaxy S8 for as cheap as $500. So I think at that price it is absolutely amazing. Now you might be someone who wants to experience these dual cameras for the first time. In that case, the Galaxy Note 8 can be the best alternative to the S9 Plus. It gives you the dual camera and it's actually more feature packed because of S Pen. Obviously you don't get that variable aperture camera, but the camera is still pretty good on the Note 8. The display, everything, it just matches the S9 Plus. The only bad thing is the battery. The only two things missing is the battery and the variable aperture. If you live somewhere where Note 8 is actually cheaper, like I live in Pakistan, so the pricing for the S9 Plus is well above $1,000, whereas the Note 8 can be bought for like $850. Again, you can seriously save some money by going for the older generation. S9, like I said, is the most complete phone feature-wise, but there are two phones that are still almost as good as this phone. And if you're someone who's tight on budget, then I think this is a great option. And you can save money for the 10th anniversary Galaxy S phone, which we know will come with the biggest change, with the biggest design, and the most amazing features ever. So yeah, this was my honest 1 month report regarding the Galaxy S9 Plus. Hope this video will help you make the final decision whether you want to buy this phone or not. Alright guys, I hope you have enjoyed that video, and it's time to announce the winner or pick the winner for the Galaxy S9 giveaway. So similar to previous giveaway, I will be picking 7 nominees because I asked you to leave comment on 7 different videos. From that, we will randomize our winner. So first, of course, is the iPhone X speed test with the S9 that got over 20,000 comments, 21,000 to be exact. Just so you know, this is the website, Sandra Cries. Again, it's going to be completely random. I'm not picking anyone on my own, so it's just completely from the system. So okay, so all the 21,000 comments are loaded up perfectly, and let's pick our first random nominee. And okay, Connor on duty, you are the first nominee. I got your channel here. You got 100 subscribers. Let's just bookmark this. Next one is the speed test comparison between the S9 and OnePlus 5D. This one has 3,335 comments in 34 pages. All right, picking up the second nominee, and we have Satak Nagoshi. Have your channel bookmarked. All right, third nominee from the iPhone X S9 Plus camera test. This one has 5,000 plus comments, so randomly pick winner. And we have Marcel Hardon. Okay, you are the third nominee. Fourth nominee from the Galaxy S10 hidden reveal video with 3,743 comments. Randomly pick winner. And we have Usman Khan, Samsung is love. And for the fifth nominee from the Note 9 video, 3,858 comments on 39 pages. Let's randomly pick the winner. And we have Chaudhry Umar. Sixth nominee from the Galaxy S9 Plus video, what's on my S9 Plus, that went live yesterday. So randomly pick winner. And we have Shifin Ahmed. And on to the final video, 7th nominee, which went live yesterday, the Galaxy S10 video. So let's load the comments. All right, randomly pick winner. And we have Trips. So guys, these are the lads. One of them will be the Galaxy S9 winner. Time to pick the random name, and as you can see, it is in that same order. So let's submit this. Okay, we got this sweet little wheel that I am going to spin. Let's see, okay. Here we go. Oops. Let's go. And the winner is Chaudhry Umar. Congratulations. Now you have to send me a message on my YouTube channel for verification. Otherwise, I won't be able to verify. And you have 48 hours. If you don't respond, then I'm gonna pick the winner from other nominees. So congrats. And yeah, for those who didn't win, guys, it depends on luck. There will be a lot more giveaways in the future. We're gonna have the latest iPhones, the upcoming Note. You have already followed the rules. You don't have to do them again in the future. You just have to comment on the video. That's it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.